Careful front line. Yo, wake up. If you die to CDG, swear to God, quit the game. So, full engage on the guards 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glacial ah. Oh, it's the old glacial guy. The mom. Yo, don't pull it, don't pull it. Just tank it, nigga. Start smacking the gate. Yo, listen careful over the wall. Start smacking the gate. Yo, guardians up front rotated defenses watch front line please. Their color is, I'm not sure who, but we'll see.
Huwag yung pera mga party, mag-mark ako.
Okay. Keep smashing. Yeah, listen, if there's another blob that zones from northeast, right, it's gonna be their ally. Who's their main caller?
Hindi ko makita.
I'm not seeing another druid. They have Rift Glaive, ah. They're probably playing range comp again.
Dapat sila full side.
They have a soul set also. Okay, be careful, ah. They have a range comp, ah. So please don't tap their gauge. Kipo, you're dying, maniga. Kill Kipo. They have a glacial. They OC'd already. Careful. Put the pony. Careful front line. Yeah, listen, just focus smashing. Spread, ready defenses. And si Cooks pala yung caller nila. Pumark na lang. Careful front line. They're gonna engage. Defense shallow. Nice. Smash. They have a shaper also. Smash. They have 2 shapers. Wow, they GA'd their engage. It's kinda crazy. Careful glacial please, don't step on it.
Fast engage ata sila move.
Yeah, they're fast engaged. They have 15 seconds CD, so be careful. Yeah, Lockhart. Swear to God, Lockhart, don't be stupid. You're reacting so slow. You fucking grandpa. Ready defenses up front. Glacial on top of you guys, don't die. Hello. They're about to engage again, be careful. Let my bomb squad counter. The bomb squad's big range. Shaper, careful. That's a fake engage. Main engage gonna come soon. They're gonna pull W. Defense shallow. Heal up. Ready defenses up front. Help the bomb squad. Listen, while we're smashing gates and walls, support the bomb squad, okay? Ready defenses up front, defense shallow. Heal up. These walls are fucking... I haven't sieged that area in a while. These fucking walls are taking so long, man. Yo, he's looking ready, defense shallow. It's a fake. He's gonna engage for you now. Ooh. Wow. Ready, help the bomb squad, come back, heal the bomb squad, come back, heal the bomb squad. Yo, listen, careful, they have engaged now. Ready defenses. Card. Defense shallow. fake engage. Main engage gonna come soon. Careful. Dito. We're level 23. Maybe level 23. Do we have ally? Oh, it's just us. Like Sand Mesa. Careful, defend shallow. Yeah, why die to that, man? Like I said, you're stupid if you die. Goodbye. Oh, he got healed last second. Kajak super my slope. Yo, look at the guards way. Yo, kill, yo, destroy, kill, sorry. Using the vision of mobs. Tax watch front line. Listen, they might engage outside. Ready defenses, they defend shallow. Yo, listen. Shallow tank 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank, shallow tank. Come back, come back. Yo, kill the guards front line. You don't have engage, they don't have engage. Anywhere, you know.
Boss Mob, nagugulo.
I'm going to the, I'm coming on, just give me 5 minutes.
May nag-gay sa backline natin, Boss Mob.
Defend shallow, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Oh my god, the whole bomb squad died.
Stop.
Kajax, what you do there, Kajax? Why you engage while they have engaged? Yo, everyone get ready. Southeast, step up. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Ay, come back. Heal up. Come back. Kill the guards shallow. Smash the walls first. Just engage over the wall, Kajax. Don't go deep yet. You're getting too greedy. Yo, careful. Ready defenses over the wall. Come northeast side, guys. Come northeast side. Why are you still on the choke, guys? Come northeast side. I'm over here, so on this side. Look at where I am. Ready defenses. Listen, ready. OC now. Yeah, listen, ready to jacket in while they're engaging. Jacket now. Jacket in. Deep southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Heal up front line. Okay, come northwest. Spread northwest side. Heal up. Spread northwest side. Cleanses. Spread northwest side. Heal front line, boys. Hello. I love this. Spread northwest. Just wait. They're gonna engage.
OC na.
OC, sinap na. Spread.
With each stone, ODA. Stone complement.
That's their ally. Ready defenses, they're looking. Heal up. Okay, wait. Just heal up. Pakatch nga si Makon sa likod. You look at me, shallow. Wait. Heal up. Ready defenses, they're looking. Southeast shallow. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Come back.
Watch with blocks na yung meeting stone. Sabay.
Gloves, meeting stone. How big? In this array?
No DA. Pero TDP 1.
Charlie DC.
Okay. Yeah, listen, we kill the people on the west side. Just wait. Yo, peace on this. Yo, get ready. Catch west side. Everything inside. Wait. Catch west side. Brawl this guy. Yo, careful. You ready, We're gonna headbutt east, Can you kill that guy, Manika? Ready defenses. Defend shallow. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Oh, did I lag? Am I alive?
Boss Mob incoming from blobs.
Am I lag?
Just noted.
Low. I fucking...
Rinig ka.
Okay. Yo, just hold on me, just heal me. My screen frozen. Can somebody stream real quick?
Boss Mob, another
I hear it, my nigga, I hear it. My screen frozen. Okay, just hold.
Sige, pag okay na mugya.
My screen frozen. Heal up.
Okay na mugya.
Okay. Yo, come west side. Come north side, come north side. No, come north side, come north side, come north side. Come north side, 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 come north, 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 north. Where's my banner? Bring my banner. You come in north. Ready defense on my back, ah. Ready defense on my back. Bring my banner. Kajak, tell me when you're back, ah. Come northeast, come northeast. What are they playing? Come northeast, come northeast.
They're ball.
Are they, what? Clap? Brawl.
Full brawl.
Full brawl.
Ang top sa kanila.
Okay, I'm waiting for my... Dandy, where the fuck is my Earth Dune, maniga?
I'm reconnecting. Wait, I'm in bluff now. I'm in bluff now.
Yeah, ready defenses up front. Where are they? Are they inside 30?
Mag-catch
Ano
ng
yung
para
secondary?
dito. Sa labas pa.
They're on my left side.
West
Come northeast.
mo.
Come northeast. Are they dismounted? Come northeast.
Dismounted. Mounted
Okay,
southwest mo, boss.
Yeah.
They're going south.
Okay. Come southwest. Yeah, listen. I need like 2 tanks stopping CDG engage while I focus on they call this the brawlers. Okay. Ready defenses up front. Yeah. Ready defenses up front. Everybody wake up now. Okay. Yeah. DPS do better. Everyone wake up. Careful. They looking shallow. They just engage shallow. Heal up. You look at me, on top of me. 5, shallow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tummy. Come back. Shaper. Come back. Spread. Heal up. Spread. Gala inside. Kill this Gala inside.
Gala bomb state.
Yo, heal Shinrin. They have a Gala also. Listen, smash the walls. Enemy has a clap kite and then a brawl. Okay, the meeting zone is on full brawl. Wait, yo, listen, kill the guards here. The enemy doesn't have a caller, yo. Yo, listen, get ready. Wait. Where's the brawlers? Where's the meeting stone? Is that them on the west side? Careful, heal up front line. Yo, listen, look at the tank inside. Look at the tank's shallow. Wait.
Mugi, block.
Come northwest, then come north. How big is enemy still? Come south. South, you ready? Wait only. Your tanks, get ready to hold. Get ready to. We kill tanks inside.
I'm here.
Listen.
I'm here.
We kill tanks first, okay? We kill tanks inside first. Just wait. Hold on. Can we kidnap tanks? Yo, get ready. South shallow. Wait. Where's enemy?
Out.
They're inside.
Nice bomb.
Second level.
Got my bomb squad. Yo, listen. Step up. Take space inside. Kill the guards inside. Yo, listen. If the brawlers walk in, everybody kite northwest outside there. We fight outside there, okay? Listen, Q's and W's on the guards inside. Q's and W's on the guards inside. Okay? Yo, watch the gate and watch my east side, please. Okay? Q's and W's on the guards inside.
Boss,
Careful.
majority of them are mounted for some reason.
Because they're brawlers. Just tell me when they're walking in. Everybody kite northwest, that's it. It's a simple instruction. Ready defenses, careful. Nobody should be dying up front. Hold on. Careful front line. Use the beast on the guards inside. Yo, ba't kayo nag-drop ng random skills na parang walang kwenta, men? Yo, ready full defend on the bomb. Come back. Yo, look at the mage. Everything shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Come back. Spread. Just hold. Tanks, use your skills once enemies like walking in inside of me, man. Why you guys like dropping random skills everywhere? Ready, defend shallow. They're looking shallow. Shaper. Use and W's on the guards, guys. Yo, we kill this mage inside of us. And the mage, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Mage. Okay. You kill the blue things. Start smashing the gate and the walls. Yeah, help my bomb. Help my bomb. Ready defenses on my bomb. Ready defenses, ready defenses. Everyone, get ready. Full engage west side deep. West side deep from the rats. Wait, come back, come back, come back, come back. Careful, careful front line still. Yo, pa-GA ng mga rats sa likod.
30% on the gate ah.
Eh. Just wait. Pag lumapit sila. Actually, puta eh, nilapitan mo eh. Tangina, tumakbo sila palayo, diba?
Shaper alakay.
Yo, J, back in. Get. Tayo na GA. Nice.
Pasag ito ako kaya.
Yeah. Deep west side, get ready.
Yo, Cooks is back.
Deep west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep west side. Catch him. Wala ba? Hindi ka ba mag-GA po? Come back. Kill the guards. Smash the walls also. Careful ah, careful.
He's looking. Cooks looking.
Yeah, nagro-rotate yata meeting stone sa likod. Never mind. They're still inside. Careful.
10%, 4%.
Yeah, listen, smash the gates first. The walls first. Come northeast. Careful over the wall. Listen, careful over the wall. Yo, on the guards, 5. Pull the guards here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Guards.
Yeah, yung Cooks stepping up.
Careful.
Stepping up ako.
Careful. Take space north side. Nobody should be dying on chokes here. Just kill the guards. Kiss and the beast on the guards inside. Where's Smithy Stone? Inside still?
They're killing King Alakar. DG.
Why? Why are they killing King Alucard?
He was inside.
Yeah, why? Alucard, tell me why. Inside.
Coming.
Defend shallow. Bro, the only way you get kidnapped is if you get pulled from the choke, man. Like, here's my question. Why you guys have to hold this choke when you guys can hold around here, right? Just wait for them to step out. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sometimes guys, can you guys rethink your fucking every move, guys? It's fucking stupid. Shaper. Heal front line. Shaper, heal front line. My front line's dying. Can you guys smash this north wall also? The people behind, smash the north wall. You guys are dying, giving them free fucking kills, man. It's crazy. I don't know why. It's a fake. Well, now it's a mini gauge. That's very shit.
Go on,
Yo, kiss the views on the...
Nakatayo lang si Cooks, nag-DC ata.
On this phone caller. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this phone caller. Ready defenses, come back.
He's looking.
Heal up front line, heal up my bomb. Kiss the views on the guards inside. Shaper. Yo, kiss the views on the guards inside, boys. Kiss the views on the guards inside. Careful over the wall. Listen, look at east side guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. Ayun, now listen. Take space north now. Kill this mage also in the front. Smash everything. Smash all the walls here. So we have big space. Pressure crush, big space. Careful front line. Careful in the front. Keep smashing walls. So we have space. Hold on.
Hindi ko na makita yung meeting stone. Second.
He's walking up slowly. He has engaged.
Meeting stone is at the east side. I see some rollers at the east side. They're still mounted. Ready defenses up front. Okay, ready defenses. They're looking on me, south side. You help my bomb here, help my bomb here. Ready full defend. Get ready to headbutt, get ready to headbutt. Listen, pop your potion, full headbutt south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full headbutt south now, full headbutt south now, full headbutt south now, full headbutt south now. Everybody come northwest now, everybody come northwest. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Shaper, 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 heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Everyone, pull back fast. Stop looting and pull back fast. Why are you guys so deep? Heal up.
Sa akin yung banner.
Yeah, yeah. How big are they still? Decent big. Still 80%. Yo, what's happening northwest side? Come northwest.
Wala pa tayo. Solo bomb lang.
Yeah, destroy this cards here. Okay, yo, smack walls, man. You guys smack walls so much faster. Did CDG die again?
Cogs die, yeah.
Kill guards. Smack the walls. Yo, look at this GA in the front. Can I get a GA on this GA? On this front line now. Just can GA on any time. Shallow on the GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything GA. Alright, come back. Pull back fast. Pull back. Ready defense shot.
AFK G.
Yo, shaper. Heal up front line. Careful. Yo, listen, meeting zone dismounted on the east side, ah. Careful. Heal up front line. Oh, why is malevolent here? What the fuck? What the fuck? I have ally
Kasi
here.
next araw mo okay.
Oh. Careful front line.
Yo, head labang.
Yo, heal up, bomb. Wait. Listen, look at the mage, okay? On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Pull everything in the mage. Everybody pull back now. Yo, help front line, come back. Guardians and Locust front line. Help my front line come back. Heal my front line also. Full heal the front line. Full heal the front line. Come north. Full heal the front line. Come north. Okay, good. Shaper. Ba't si Gemalin ganyan kalalim? Tulungan si Gemalin. Again, look at the mage. Yo, the earth and can you just pull the people at the mage? Everyone, look at the mage. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage. Pull back again. Pull back. Careful front line, boys. Yeah, careful front line. Yeah, help my bomb. Yo, cleanse my bomb, come back. Imire, you deep nigga, you gonna die there.
Tuto
Yo,
down.
gana. Heal up. Okay, but dead. Yo, listen on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage now. Nice one. Come back. Come back. Heal up. Careful front line.
Heal me.
Heal Dandy. Come back, boys. Don't be too deep, guys. Don't be too deep. Just wait. The mage is fucking painful as fuck, maniga.
Ayo, Dalamonting ka. Mugi, Dalamonting ka.
Yo, everything. Look at this. Walking deep southeast. Yo, deep southeast. Jack it in. Deep south. 5. Deep on the J. 5, 4, 3. After the cleric. 3, 2, 1. Everything. Push southeast. Heal up southeast. Push southeast and heal up southeast. Do not stay on the mage side. Okay, just hold here. Don't push in. Why are you guys pushing in? Just open the gate. Listen, spread southeast side and just regroup southeast side. Heal up southeast side. Okay, yo, everyone, come back inside. I open the gate. Come inside. Heal up southeast side. Yo, listen, we focus on mage now. Heal up. Everyone on mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Come back northeast now. Come northeast now. Heal up. You listen on the mage, everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Can you rate this, Terry? Who has the banner? Where's my banner? Can you rate that, Terry?
Masuk
Yeah,
apa?
we might fight Meerkat.